Product details of 4K professional drone, easy to fly. WIFI built this drone so anyone can fly in, adults or kids, experienced or not, even absolute beginners. With features like a takeoff, landing or return to home button, flying has never been easier. You can even fly it indoors. 2 batteries, up to 40 minutes of flight time. We want our customers to have as much fun as possible and for as long as possible, which is why we decided to equip the S8000 with a 2000 mAh battery that lasts up to 20 minutes. WIFI also added another extra battery to give you up to 40 minutes of amazing flight experience, so you can enjoy your time, take lots of photos and videos, without worrying about battery life. 4K UHD dual camera. To capture your best moments and make them unforgettable, our S8000 Infinity Tech drone is equipped with a 4K Ultra HD camera for clear photos and videos. In addition, it is an ESC camera, which allows you to adjust it up to 90 degrees electronically via the remote control while you fly. This means you'll always have the perfect shooting angle. And you can also easily switch to the second camera at the bottom, giving you another angle for amazing aerial footage. FPV drone up to 300 m away. This quadcopter streams live video footage directly to your phone. All you need to do is download the app and connect your phone to the drone's hotspot, and you'll instantly see the world from a bird's eye view perspective, as if you were flying through the sky yourself. And with its extraordinary long range of up to 300 feet, you'll feel as free as a bird, too. Over 16 different features. Our Infinity Tech drone has many different features to make flying more fun, easier, and simply better. 360 degrees flip, follow me, altitude, optical flow positioning, return home, one-click takeoff, gesture recognition, auto photography, gravity sensing, trajectory flight, 50x zoom, phone control, headless mode, photography videos, 3 levels of flight speed, fine-tuning adjustment, also automatic adjustment, camera ESC electronically adjustable. Lightweight, foldable, and portable. Since our quadcopter is small, foldable, and comes with a carrying case, there are no limitations to where you can take it, allowing you to capture every moment, anywhere. It doesn't matter if you are on the beach, in a waterfall or hiking on a mountain, carrying the drone will not be a problem. The S8000 is also very light, 250 grams, barely heavier than your smartphone, which is not only beneficial for travel, but also saves you the trouble of needing an FAA registration. This means you can fly without having to register with your local government.
Subscribe my YouTube channel. Check the description box for more details. Thank you.